Hi, this is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Papercrafting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a diamond fold birthday card using the Stampin' Up Clubhouse stamp set and coordinating golf club dies. We'll also be using the Clubhouse Designer Series paper. Not only is this fold quick and easy, but also you can use it on other cards and other occasions as well. So let's get started. Here's my diamond fold birthday card. And you can see on the front that it says happy birthday. There's a golf ball, golf clubs, and tees. And then when you flip it on the back, it says, I hope the next year is full of green fairways, blue skies, and short putts. And although it doesn't look like it, this will actually fold to fit in a regular size envelope. The stamp set that we're using, this is called Clubhouse. It has multiple images in it. It has a happy birthday sentiment. And then you have these other sentiments. You're the greatest guy by par. And then there's also, I hope the next year is full of green fairways, blue skies, and short putts. And then you have a happy Father's Day. These are the coordinating golf club dies. And you can see a lot of these dies will cut out the images from the stamp set. And then this is the Clubhouse Designer Series paper. And I like the patterns in here because it's very good for making all kinds of manly cards. Now the sad thing is this bundle and this paper are going to be retiring. So if you like them, don't forget to order them before June 3rd. To make this diamond fold, we're going to start off with a piece of 4x12 cardstock. My piece of cardstock is in Poppy Parade. What you're going to do is you're going to score this at 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. After you make those score marks, you're going to line this up in your trimmer, or you can use a scoreboard, and you're going to score from the 2-inch score line to the 6-inch score line on both sides, and then from the 6-inch score line to the 10-inch score line on both sides. And this is what you'll end up with. All right, after you score those, you're simply going to take a bone folder, and I've already kind of manipulated this one. I'll just go back over all those score lines. And you want them really crisp. Then I'll do the diagonals. Now we're ready to start decorating our card. All right, on the ends, I'm going to be using 2 pieces of Whisper White. They are 1 3/4 by 3 3/4. Then on top, I'll add 2 pieces of the Clubhouse Designer Series paper. These are 1 1/2 by 3 1/2. I love the colors in this paper. All right, now to make that fold, you're simply going to pinch on the sides and that's what will give you that diamond fold. Now in the center, I'm going to add a piece of Whisper White cardstock. For the centerpiece, I use the Stitch Shapes dies, the square dies. So this is a piece of Whisper White. And you can always fold this out flat to get it lined up the way you want it. Then I'm going to add a layer of garden green. Then my final layer is Whisper White. Now this layer I added 2 Stampin' Dimensionals on the back. Now I've already stamped and die cutted the golf ball image in the grass, and I've used Call Me Clover to color the grass at the bottom of the golf ball on the tee. So I've added dimensionals on the back, and before I do, I've taken the golf clubs from the die set and cut this in silver foil paper. So I'll just add this on in the center with a glue dot. Then I'll add my golf ball. Next, I'll add my happy birthday sentiment. This is in the stamp set, and the dies actually include a banner to cut this out. And I've stamped this in Poppy Parade ink. Then I'm going to add 2 golf tees. This is in crushed curry cardstock. Just going to add one more to this side. Then I'm going to add 2 metallic pearls to the end. One here. And one there. Now for the back side, I'm just going to flip this over. And I have another piece of Whisper White that I used those stitch shaped dies on. And what I want to do is I'm going to stamp that sentiment. I hope the next year is full of green fairways, blue skies, and short putts in Poppy Parade ink. And I'm just going to get right here in the center of this Whisper White piece. All right, I'll turn this over and add a little bit of adhesive. And then I'm just going to place it right here in the center. Right. Now, I'll pinch my card back closed. And there you have it. A quick and easy diamond fold birthday card. And then when you flip it on the back, there's your sentiment. And again, this will fit in a regular size envelope. I hope that you've enjoyed this project. If you'd like to see more of my projects, you can visit me at peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can also find me on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram, as well as right here on YouTube. Thank you for stopping by. Happy stamping.